This is Carolina AM.
Welcome back to Carolina AM. It has been a while since I've sat down with Dr. Brandon Coakley of Waccamaw Dermatology. Today we've got another guest on the show, and that's Kristen, the PA here. And we're getting close to this season of the warm weather. Everybody's getting out in the sun. Everybody's thinking summertime, summertime, summertime.
Absolutely.
But we really need to hit home with all the folks about the precautions of too much sun and how to protect yourself.
We all live here because we love it. There's golf courses and the beach and this wonderful outdoor lifestyle, but we just have to be smart when we go out there. So in the summertime, especially when we're enjoying all those activities, it's important not to go out at noon. If you can, go to the beach first thing in the morning, 7, 8 o'clock for a couple hours. When you go, wear sun protective clothing, so hats, some sunscreen is very helpful. So you can still do all the things that we love about the beach, but you should do it in a way that's smart, that doesn't cause damage to your skin and potentially skin cancer down the road.
Even the folks that have lived here for a long time, like myself, we have a tendency to go out and want to get that first, get out in the sun, and you forget about doing those things that we've been hearing all these years. You go out and get burnt the first time you're out. That's not good. But there are some things that you probably need to look for. Right, Kristen, when you hop out of the shower. It's sometimes just awareness of your own body, or if you have a spouse, having them check out things or maybe point out something that they hadn't seen before, right?
Exactly. So we're looking for things that hurt, bleed, won't heal, things that are different than other things on your body, something that you haven't noticed before, or something new, something that your partner notices that is new. It's not always, something raised. It can be something flat. It's just something that doesn't look like the others. Kind of call it the ugly duckling sign. Okay.
Well, once you maybe see an ugly duckling sign, what do you do then? Will you come in for a consultation?
Yeah, so exactly. It's very important. Our bodies make all kinds of sunspots and moles and freckles, and if you have something that's different from the others, it's important to come in and have a trained professional evaluate it. And so sometimes that's as easy as us looking at it with the naked eye and saying, nope, that's okay, or no, that needs a biopsy. If it is more suspicious, a skin biopsy, which is a simple in-office procedure, is the next step. And we would take that, remove that spot, whatever that growth is, and then we can analyze it right here in our own lab. So we have an outstanding, internationally known dermatopathologist as part of our practice, and so we can conduct that lab analysis here and have speedy results for the patients, very high quality. So it's important to make that first step to get the diagnosis.
Well, you were speaking about labs, but now listen, wherever you happen to be on the Grand Strand, even in the PD, there are 5 locations to serve you, and doctors, certified doctors in all those locations. Why don't we give those out as well?
Yeah, we have 2 offices in Myrtle Beach, a location here in Pawleys, an office in Conway, Dillon, and Sumter. So we've really spread out across the Grand Strand and beyond. So no matter where you are, we can offer high quality university level care in the private practice setting for you.
And in this case, again, if you do see something that just doesn't look familiar, catch it early.
Absolutely. So the earlier you catch it, the better the survival odds. So when we're talking about melanoma, the most severe cancer that we look for, the depth of the melanoma directly correlates with survival. And so the earlier you can catch it, the faster you can cut it out, the better your long-term prognosis is. So it really is so important to detect these things early, and it's so convenient because it's right on your skin. If you're looking for a kidney cancer, it's hard to find. It's an internal cancer. You have to do PET scans or more complicated tests. Here it's the naked eye. You can come in here and be examined. It takes 15 minutes, and you can be sure that your skin is healthy and that you're safe.
Okay, Kristen, we want to give out a website, a phone number for these folks that are now wanting more information. How do they go about getting hold of you?
Yeah, so you can call us at 843-449-0453. Our website is waccamawdermatology.com.
Hey, we thank you both for being on the show today.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
We'll be right back with more of Carolina AM.